I'm Ryan Bradley. I'm a student at Fond du Lac Tribal and Community College. I was part of the Quadcopter Challenge, where we built and competed against other schools in challenges using our quadcopters. The main objective for us was, at the end of the year, we were to compete against other schools in a challenge competition. Some of the goals were we had to collect samples, and then we had a few other competitions where we had to collect data in other ways. We collected images and we mapped the area as well. Troubleshooting was by far the hardest part. You get everything set up, you're like, great, this is how it's going to work. You fire it up and then it doesn't work. And so just kind of retracing those steps, finding what exactly went wrong, and then how to fix that issue. So the project was unique in a way that it wasn't just a science or engineering project, but it was also communication, working as a team. There definitely were science and physics elements, and there was also computer programming thrown in there. So it was all of those aspects, bringing them together to have a finished project is what made it so challenging, but also rewarding. This is a great program because, like I said, this program challenged me, especially with programming these machines to fly. And then again, it gave me the opportunity to work in a team using my skills, using my teammates' skills to make one single product. So I think any student could benefit from it. And just being challenged like that, you can apply to any job or any field that you go into.